morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise our chapter number 4, that is using mail merge. So let's start. Now, in business as well as in official matters, it is often needed to send letters with similar information to different people, right? The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So, changing the address each time would be very long process and a wastage of time and effort. Mail merge feature of Word 2016 is used to combine a data source which contains all the addresses with the main document. It saves our time and energy to send letters to multiple addresses, right? Now we will discuss what is data source. Data source consists of mailing list. As you can see here, this is the mailing list. For example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone, number, etc. Data is organized in tabular form along with the field names. The data source is associated with the main document. So its field names can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Let us know more. Field. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. Example, name, address, city, etc. are the fields. Record. Record is a row on a data sheet. You can see here number of fields make one record. Main document. It contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Now merge field. It is the data items such as name, address, city, PIN, etc. which instructs Word 2016 about where to insert the data source, names, addresses, information in the main document. Mail merge involves 3 basic steps: creating the main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document. Let us know more. The data source can be created in Word 2016 database file or it can be created in another application like Excel 2016 or Access 2016. Creating mail merge document. There are 6 steps to create mail merge. As you all know, to create main document, follow these steps. Create a new document and type a letter or open an existing document in the Microsoft Word that you want to send to different people at different addresses. As you can see, I have typed. Now click on the mailing tab. You can see here mailing tab. In the Start Mail Merge group, click on the Start Mail Merge drop down menu and select the step-by-step mail merge wizard option. You can see here the mail merge task pane appears on the right side of application window. Now select the letter radio button as you can see here under the select document type section. Click the next starting document. Wizard setup under step 1 of 6 section at the bottom of task pane. Choose the type of setup for your letters. Click use the current document radio button under select starting document section. Click the next select recipient under step 2 of 6 section. Creating recipient list. Next topic. Now to create a new mailing list, select the type a new list radio button under select recipient section in the mail merge task pane. Then click on create option. You can see this table. The new address list dialog box appears on the screen as shown in the figure here. You will click on customize column button to add or remove the fields. Enter data in the respective fields and click the new entry button located at the bottom left of the dialog box. Enter 3 records of your friends and relatives. It is your choice. Then click OK. You will get a save address list dialog box. Specify the name in file name text box and save button should be pressed. The mail merge recipient dialog box will appear as shown here. You can see there are 3 addresses. This dialog box displays the details of all the records that you have added. To change any detail, you can select the data source and click the edit button under the data source box. When you are through, click OK button. Note that by default tick marks are placed on the check boxes next to the data source field. It gives an indication that the records are selected, right? If you do not want to send the letter to a particular address, just click on the specific checkbox to deselect it and then click OK. Now click on the next Write Your Letter Wizard setup under step 3 of 6 section in the Mail Merge task pane. Let us know more. Press Tab key to move between the fields while typing the information. Next topic is inserting merge fields. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the record fields. On the Mailing tab, click on Insert Merge Field button in Write and Insert Fields group. The Insert Merge Field dialog box will appear with the list of field names you have created. Click on the field name that you intend to add and then click on Insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document. Click on Close button. You will notice the selected field names will appear in your document one after another horizontally. Separate the field names by pressing the Enter key as I am pressing here. Next is viewing the merged data. You can check whether Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merge fields or not by viewing it on the screen. Click on Preview Results button in the Preview Result group on the Mailing tab or click the Next Preview Your Letters Wizard setup under Step 4 of 6 section. The first record will be displayed. Click on the Next Record button in the Preview Result group to view the next record of the data source. Next is printing the letters. You can take the printout of your letter with the merged data of your data source. In order to print the letters, follow the given steps. Click on Finish and Merge button in the Finish group on the Mailing tab and select Print Document option as I am selecting here from the drop-down menu. Click on Next Complete the Merge Wizard step under the Step 5 of 6 section in the task pane and then click on Print option under Merge section. The Merge to Printer dialog box will appear. Define the desired print settings and click on OK. The selected record will be printed separately along with the letter.